Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you a best course or best lectures for Imat preparation. I will enlist free course and as well as paid course, but I want you to watch full video because this video contains all of the facts about courses or lectures for Imat. So welcome back to the online series of Imat. Before going to courses or lectures, I want to answer a question that every one of you asked: what is the best course for Imat preparation? Before answering, believe me, there is no popular, but there is no effective course specifically available for Imat as far as I know, by reading reviews and talking with other mates. But I could be wrong. There are courses from those students who are either studying in med school in Italy or those who have graduated from med school. They have opened up their shops and they say, come, I will teach you for this price, blah blah blah. Man, how can they teach you best when at their time he or she was also struggling to prepare? I'm not in the favor of these courses and I don't recommend you either, because number one, they are not professional in this field. Number two, they have limited knowledge and limited concept. They can teach you something what a Jedi master can teach. So that's why there comes my own opinion and reviews of majority of other students that I have read on Quora or different forums, that in preparing Imat you should follow MCAT course, as the course information for both exams are same and both are international exams, but their syllabus differentiate. Like MCAT may cover more topics and chapters than Imat, but you can adjust this by looking at syllabus, but their topics are not different. For example, if it is Mendel laws of inheritance or organelles, MCAT lecture conveys enough information that is necessary for Imat. So now I'm going to show you one free and one paid course for MCAT. So let's start with paid course. If you have got budget, then Lecturio is the platform that is leading market in terms of providing medical courses, and it has pretty solid and best course for MCAT. You can study from it, but its subscription is little bit expensive, around $105 for 3 months. But before buying a subscription, you will get 1 day free trial. In this 24 hours, you can play around with lectures, quizzes and topics. Then you can decide whether to pay or not. But believe me, paying $105 for 3 months is completely worth it, because you will get value. Their lectures are from high qualified professors that are from around the globe, and they have got a nice pretty spaced repetition system for MCQs. They have tons of practice MCQs and their tutors are always available for answering your questions. I'm also following this, so you can check out this platform. The link will be in the video description. Now let's move on to free course, that is from Khan Academy. They have also got MCAT course and I think it is very good and awesome in terms of information. If you are really broke like me, then you can follow this. If you are really hardworking student, you can easily ace Imat by following this course with pretty solid and good grade. This course is more than enough for Imat preparation. They have got well presented lectures and quizzes, and their professors are also great. This course is more informative and helpful than what you are buying from Imat student. In conclusion, you can crack Imat just by following courses. It's all about practice, it's all about concept clarity, it's all about the more time you give. So if you are studying 8 to 10 hours a day and only studying from books, then you can really crack Imat, but you need an effective strategies. So that's why I have decided to share my effective studying system, which I call second brain for Imat, that I have created in Notion. That includes note-taking system, spaced repetition system, flashcards, syllabus and active recall calendar. So subscribe this channel, and if you have any question, feel free to DM me on Instagram. If you have enjoyed this video, then you might love to check out this video over here, which is about how to memorize Imat concepts using Notion and clonal method. So thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.